Good marketing makes a company look smart, and great marketing makes the customer look smart. We are Udaipur Colors. In our U Talk segment, are in conversation with one such great marketing company, Observe, and we are in conversation with the co-founder, Mr. Ajay Acharya. Thank you so much, Ajay, for joining us today.
You're welcome.
So my first question is this only: what is Observe?
Okay, great. So Observe is a growth partner. It actually, so we don't tell our customers that we are vendors. If anybody comes to us as a vendor, we don't work with them. We are growth partners who actually validates a problem for a company, identifies it and validates it, and create a solution out of it. And we don't just create a solution on ourselves. We create a solution with them. So we co-create a solution, and ultimately, using creativity and technology, we create a value for our clients. That's what we want. Ultimately, it's all about value.
Right. So, and with you also have you and Mr. Ravi, both of you founded this company. It's 8 years old, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So who are some of your clients?
Okay. So one of the proudest thing that we say is that we are the youngest vendor for World Bank.
Wow.
Right.
In the world. That is really commendable.
And then we have Amazon, we have Starbucks, we have lots of them, DHFL, IIFL, ICASI, we have clients from Australia, we have Novo, we have many of them.
So you are obviously from Udaipur, born and brought up here, and then if I'm not wrong, you went to IIM Ahmedabad to do a course, and then you came back to Udaipur. So what seeded this idea कि मुझे एक ऐसी marketing solution या growth partner company शुरू करनी है?
So basically, so first of all, coming back to Udaipur, the reason is I love Udaipur. I'm a big Udaipur fan.
Obviously, Udaipur के हैं तो आपको अच्छा ही लगेगा, right?
Yes.
Of course.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि उदयपुर में एक ऐसी कंपनी होनी चाहिए जो like there's a brain drain. Like people normally, like everybody wants to go out. So who are in Udaipur wants to go to Delhi or Bombay. Who are in Delhi and Bombay wants to go to abroad, like US, UK. True. But and why they are going it? Because they are getting better opportunities there. So I really wanted to make something here which is global standard and doing great work and can accommodate something in Udaipur. It's a beautiful city. Like having an office in front of a lake is beautiful, right? And that's what
I think that's a motivation.
Yeah, it was. So my first post ever when we did it on social media was this only, that why we love to have an office in Udaipur is the Lake Palace view that we were having from our office.
True. Right? And I feel जब आप online industry में है तो I don't think location matters also.
Exactly.
Right. And आपके offices है Bombay, Delhi, and even San Francisco.
Yes.
And obviously you have pan India presence and global clients भी है. So how do you manage? I mean, you've named some of the best brands in the world. So does it get tricky to manage so many clients, such a wonderful client base?
Yeah, so initially, yes, it was, because there was a question ki you are sitting in Udaipur, like a tier 3 city.
True.
How will you manage? But then we told them that you will never feel that difference.
Right.
We will always be on the go to travel and come to you. But thanks to COVID, the scenario has not been now like that.
COVID also has a silver lining.
Exactly. Some positives.
Yes, of course.
So thanks to that, and even before that also we were able to establish that kind of a rapport with our clients कि अब हमें वहाँ तक उतना travel करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. The best part is even Delhi, Bombay. So in office in Delhi, Bombay, we have our account managers and everybody there, so they go and meet them. So that's why we opened our office there.
So you would have a very big team.
Yes, we have a decent team, I'll say. We don't have a very big team. We have almost 70 to 80 people working in office, and then we have almost 20 to 30 people who are working remotely with us, like on contractual or something like that.
Right, and work from home or freelance and all of that,
exactly,
right?
Exactly.
So, I mean, इतनी team को manage करना क्योंकि multiple cities में है, does it get a little tricky and tough? Or that's the challenge?
Yeah, so yes, it's a challenge and it's a positive at the same time.
True.
What I feel is that in our industry, it's not about the location. It's more about the expertise. What do you own?
Right.
And for us, like I'll tell you, our 3 values that Observe is standing on, the 3 pillars of Observe is quality, experience, expertise, and commitment. Right, these are the 3 pillars. Right. And for us, expertise is like you can't beat it. Like nobody.
वो तो आपका base है.
Exactly. But then like expertise of a global level is very important. Right. Like digital marketing का एक बहुत बड़ा challenge ये है कि है ना, even client से ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. Correct. And that's the difference when you say that what does the expertise means and what does मैं भी कर सकता हूँ means, right? And that's where when you really want to scale, let the experts talk. And that's why I said in my first line, we are growth partners. I tell my clients that I am expert of marketing, you are expert of your business.
Right.
Let's come together, take our expertise together and create something great.
Exactly.
And that's where our companies who comes to us and say ki, we are having a turnover of 100 crores. How do we create 125 crores?
Right.
So then we help them to create an entire plan to create 125 crores like that. And we have done a lot of these plans like that.
I'm sure. So currently, Ajay, जब हम digital marketing की बात करते हैं, अभी it is the in word, and Corona of course has made it another in word. Everybody is talking about digital marketing, but what exactly is digital marketing? You are experts in this field, so I wanted to hear it from you कि क्या होता है digital marketing?
See, I'll take you a little back. Like, just imagine 30 years back, if I would have talked about, or 20 years back, I would have talked about marketing and would have said digital. You would have laughed. What is digital? There's nothing, right? True. Even so, and now I'll take you 20 years ahead, and I'll ask you, and just think about it. You're sitting, and if somebody says marketing, the first thing that will come into mind is digital again. Right. Exactly. So marketing remains marketing. It never changes. Only the medium changes, and that's where the difference. That even the client as a customer should understand, and the marketer should understand that marketing, the base is marketing. Right. The most important thing is to understand the marketing. And what comes in digital is that the biggest advantage of digital is you can track everything that is going on. Like for example, if you go on you see a billboard, you don't know how many people have seen it. You have to use some regular matrices to understand it. But with the digital piece, you can actually see an exact number of things.
The age group, the gender, everything.
Right? That is making your marketers and at the same time the companies, the brand managers strong, right, in the market, that they're understanding their brand more.
And right? I think that trust factor भी बढ़ जाता है हर एक person का digital marketing पे.
Definitely. And that's where digital marketing इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है अब, क्योंकि now you can reach to that home, that every single individual who is trying to buy a product, and in a very smarter way, right? And without bugging them. You know, I'm a big promoter of marketing where customers also love that kind of marketing. They're not that bugged कि ये अब तो पीछे पड़ गया हमें खरीदने के लिए. That is not a good marketing, because if your brand is being portrayed badly, then it makes no sense. Ultimately, that is also very important.
True. I think वो जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, पर जो बहुत ज़्यादा कई के बार दिखता है वो फिर irritating भी हो जाता है कई के बार.
Exactly.
So there's a hairline difference, right? Definitely. So I wanted to ask, it was an extension to what you had just said कि हम हमेशा बोलते हैं digital marketing की. जब मैं खुद भी बात करती हूँ, I as a trainer, I sometimes feel यार मैं तो अपना creative खुद ही बना लूँगी, खुद ही post कर लूँगी. So I wanted to know कि जब आप खुद marketing करते हैं और एक expertise के पास जाते हैं, obviously बहुत कुछ मिलता है, तो वो क्या additional मिलता है, and क्या वो additional observe भी देता है?
See, the most important thing between execution and planning is where the difference is altogether. The extra comes in. Exactly, the extra comes in. I have seen majority of even new coming agencies or even the companies who are doing marketing themselves, they jump to execution, right? But where they have to jump is planning. Right. Where they have to jump is research. True. You have to understand their customers better.
Exactly.
So for me, whenever somebody comes to me, the first question that we ask is, what is the problem that you are trying to solve? What is the business problem you are trying to solve? And majority of customers don't know what is the business problem they are solving, because I have seen, the matured companies who have done it knows that they need to understand the business problem. But the companies who are very new, and I think most of the people who will listen to this also will connect with this, that they have this business problem, that they don't know what is the business problem. And once the business problem is not understood, right,
you cannot have a solution.
You are solving something which you don't even know.
True.
So I ask the first question is, what is the business problem, and they help us to understand. If they're not able to come up to a right answer, तो हम discuss करते हैं. Right. We discuss with the founders कि what is the problem, and then we write it down. Once you write it down, you also know that the clarity comes out. And the next step is, who is this business for? Like, what is this business solving?
Whom are you catering to?
Exactly. Who is your TG? So we start solving the TG problem. Then we create personas. Each persona is very important.
True.
We humanize every single person in that perspective. And then after we create a communication. Particularly for this person, what kind of communication is needed, so that person understands you better.
Exactly.
Right? And then comes the execution part. But that's the biggest difference,
I think that's where the experts come in, right? Otherwise, to be very honest, Ajay, कितनी बार हमें पता भी नहीं होता हमारे business में problem क्या है.
Exactly.
We are just shooting it in a blind alley कि शायद ये issue होगा, but we don't know it.
And I'll tell you, इसका one of the major things that lot of, as per my experience, majority of people come and tell me that उनके लिए SEO ने काम किया था तो हमारे लिए भी करेगा. And that drives Indian market a lot, and that is very wrong.
And it doesn't work.
It never works. What worked for somebody else might not work for you. It may work. Could be a
but may
fluke,
not be the same percentage.
Could be a fluke, but it is not sure. Maybe because, but most of the time it is a different solution, and that's where you, as companies who really knows the actual problem and try to solve it, gives you a better solution.
True. Okay. So, I mean, अभी जब हम कोविड की बात करते हैं, unfortunately businesses have been affected, and especially वो businesses who were mainly offline, you know, they did not have too much of online presence. So, एक digital transformation हुआ है, they are being unwillingly forced to come online. So, I wanted to know कि जो companies offline पे ज़्यादा work कर रही थी, is online presence adding value or they are still struggling?
See, definitely.
Like जैसे marble industry है,
Yes.
Udaipur is
That's
known
an
for it.
Awesome example. I'll come to that, and I have an amazing case study for it.
Okay.
But I'll come to that. See, majority. So COVID has. I'll tell you the plus point of COVID. It has taken us 5 years ahead.
True.
Right. So why it has taken 5 years ahead? Because technology that we were not even like my.
We were waiting.
There are grandfathers who can easily use Skype today.
True.
WhatsApp calling today, right? And that has made us so much of technology savvy, which we were not before.
True. Correct? Education segment is one of them.
Entire education is happening there, and the most of the unicorns in India who have developed now, like Byju's or
Vedanta, it's all because of this online
yes.
transformation.
So I really feel that technology adaptation has become really quick, जो पहले कभी भी नहीं हो पा रहा था. Correct. Second, what I feel is that now example of companies like which are in Udaipur like Marble. You know, I have been personally, you know, working with a company where, like it's Haiku, and you know, we from creating the name to taking it to the next level where we want to get all the business in Udaipur through only digital mediums, even getting distributors, connecting globally with other brands, collaborating with them. Everything is possible online, right? And we are doing it so well. Like I'm super happy with the way we have been able to do it, and because of COVID, there were limitations. Yes, I because a lot of businesses were not able to pay. True. At that moment, but it's gonna go.
Right.
But then this entire investment that we have done will give fruits for the coming decades.
Yeah, right, exactly. So you mean to say कि I mean अब online presence सबके लिए ही जरूरी है? Is that what you want to say?
Yes, definitely it is. See,
it may not be of the same intensity, but yes, it is needed.
See, the world is moving towards digital, right? You have to be digitally active.
Otherwise, you're lagging behind in the competition.
Yeah, definitely.
Right? Then you'll be a Nokia or a Kodak brand then.
Exactly. Yeah, right. Definitely. Was fall behind because of it.
Exactly.
And I have lots of clients who have no business coming from online, but still they need an online presence because that makes the brand big. You know.
Yeah. You Google it. You know. You check it online.
It's not just the business. See, digital marketing and branding is not just business. It's also about your brand value. It's also about your brand affinity. It's also about brand advocacy. What people are talking about you. How many people know about you.
Right.
All of this is very important.
True.
Right. वो सब लोग भूल जाते हैं. वो सब because सिर्फ sales and business is not what business is all about. We have to grow bigger than that. And when everything is in picture, जब सब कुछ comprehensively connect होता है, your business is doing 10x than what you were expecting before.
True.
So that's where observe, like we create a difference. We tell them that you just don't focus on small, like 2 months or 5 months sales goal. Focus on 10 year, like 5 years or 2 years goal where you can do almost 100x of what we are doing today.
Okay. Right. So apart from just helping businesses get digital presence, you also work a lot on growing them, developing a brand for them, and eventually, you know, you're also their business consultants or growth consultants. Yes. So I wanted to ask this question, ki, you know, how important do you think in today's world is creating a brand for a company? You know, product to hai, but I think now companies focus a lot on creating a brand for themselves. You know, pehle maybe Tata ke liye we never knew who Ratan Tata was. You know, we did not have a face, but now don't you think it's very important to have a face to every brand? Oh, this is the person behind it. This is the brainchild behind it, and does it really work that way?
See, you know, people always like to connect with the people behind the brand.
Yeah.
Right.
Human connection.
You connect with Ratan Tata because of the Tata brand, right? But you connect with Ratan Tata more than Tata.
Right. Exactly.
So it's always about people, human to human touch. That's the crux of life.
Right.
And from psychology you understand it, right? It's all about the human connect.
Corona was affected this. That is why, because you're not able to see people.
Exactly. And you were depressed about it, right?
Absolutely.
So it's all about, so even with Observe, we used to do a lot of activities in office. And everybody, like all the people who like our page today, they just like it because the kind of activities we are doing, and the people, they keep coming and showing something new, different things are happening. So we are smaller in that perspective, but I just give you an example that why it is so important to showcase what you actually are. You know, your values are so important. Your culture is so important. Everything is so, it's so your purpose, like, so when you talk about brand, there are very few brands like Nike, like Apple, who have a strong brand purpose.
True.
Right? And that purpose has to be translated in everything that you're doing.
Yes.
From your HR to your
Yeah,
culture,
CSR activities,
everything has to be your drive by a brand purpose. Your marketing, your branding, everything is brand purpose driven. And when you drive it through that, you have a huge opportunity. Like, Apple has been driving it that way. Everybody is thinking differently in Apple, and today they are a $2 trillion company, which is like huge.
Huge. I mean, it beats Indian economy also. It's that big a company. So, I'm sure आपके इतने clients है, global presence है आपका. I'm sure there's something that you're doing right or wonderfully well. So, I wanted to know, observe की USP क्या है?
I think so the biggest USP is that we actually care about our clients. We really care about clients, right? I have if sometimes it happens like
you handhold them all the time.
Yes. Even if they're doing something wrong, I'll go and tell them that internally also you're doing it wrong. And I'm very vocal about it. And the entire company is very vocal about it. So we actually care about them. And then from a very technical level, we are very technology driven. We understand technology from that perspective. So we created very good structure approaches, right? Internally, we have processes where we have created, which drives the client, through a valuable success, right? And that's where our USP and couple of more things that I want to add into it is, as I told that we take from brand to the performance together. Most of the companies who only do brand and don't understand performance, or the companies who understand performance don't understand brand.
True.
And so we are one of the only agencies in the world, one of the kind of agencies in the world who understands both. And then we have a very strong collaborative network. We have very strong collaboration network. So if you need somebody who is in for example, so we personally don't do PR, but for example, I have a very strong PR team. So I will tell you that why do we need this and when do we need this. So last point that I want to add to it is, ultimately our objective is to become advisors for our clients, right? On all the, I have clients in Australia where I'm advising them on their technology, I'm advising them on their marketing, I'm advising them on their branding, I'm advising them on internal sales processes, right? Everything, because ultimately my agenda is that they become successful.
There's overall development,
If they will become successful, then only we will become successful.
True, exactly.
Right? So it's a win-win. So if they win, I win. Right. And that's what motto we follow. And that's why winning is very important.
That's a great philosophy to follow also. So you've come 8 years and you've done wonderfully well. In fact, you've made Udaipur also proud on a lot of platforms. So I wanted to know, what are the next few years and future years में observe के क्या plans हैं?
So we are taking Observe to a next level. Definitely we have a lot of big brands from India, but now we have started getting big brands from Switzerland. We are getting big brands from Austria, and we are doing multilingual marketing as well. So now we are getting German clients.
So then,
in their languages only. They don't have any. Of course. So we are doing multilingual marketing with them. So our agenda is that we take ourselves to the next level where we have these kind of presence everywhere in the country, in these countries as well, where we already are, but now we have to expand more, and we're maybe looking at opening new offices there. Also, very important that we have created another brand, and this is, I think, I might be launching it on your show only, where nobody knows about it.
Oh wow, so we are the lucky ones. Yeah, thank you. You made our platform proud then.
So we are launching a new brand called O Positive.
Okay.
Right. It's basically O Positive is the most, it's like a blood group which
I am O Positive.
So you can give it to anyone, right?
Right, I can.
So universal donor. So we are very strong with SEO, like from the SEO perspective, and we do SEO where we actually take traffic from 1 to 1 million or 2 million of traffic in a month. And from that we take revenue from 100, 10 million, 15 million.
Yes, of course.
Like that kind of a thing. So we have created another brand called O Positive, which is going to be very focused only on SEO and will solve large, small and medium scale problems from the organic perspective, because I really feel that sustainability is very, very important.
True.
Because all the people who are...
You can have a bang moment, but you need to have a bang moment all the time. True.
Clients normally, from a client's perspective, they have this problem that for how long I have to keep putting money, right? That question comes to me a lot. And one of the most important answer to is organic. If you're ranking on Google sustainably, then definitely you're going to get a lot of value, because intent is highest there, right? All the intent buyers are there. So that's where we have created this entire brand, and we have a huge team. We're growing it exponentially every month, and we have hired almost 30 to 40 people just in this COVID period, right? Just for this particular team. So we are hiring a lot more people in this particular team.
So this O Positive is mainly to cater to the SEO requirements. Yes. Is that what you're saying?
I use SEO, but normally we call it as organic growth.
Okay.
Right, and I want to make it a lot more awesome. Like people normally think this is a very old way of approach, but I really think this is still
the best way,
still the best one and very valuable. तो बहुत ज़्यादा value create कर सकते हैं हम इससे, बहुत ज़्यादा relevance create कर सकते हैं. So that's where we have actually gone down. We have created the first ever research lab of SEO in the world. So Observe has SEO research lab. We do a lot of research on backend, a lot of R&D on this to grow the team, and all white hat, like nothing creepy about it. Very,
okay.
very,
I'm
positive
sure.
things.
I'm sure. Okay, great. So I wish you all the luck, and I'm so glad you started this new project of O Positive, and again, loads of luck with that. Thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to you, knowing about Observe, and also so much about digital marketing that I didn't know. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you. So आज हमारी बात हुई मिस्टर अजय आचार्य से, दी co-founder of Observe, and we got to know so much about digital marketing and marketing in general. And let me tell you, बहुत सारे लोग digital marketing पे work करते हैं, but not many companies in the world work on growth and sustenance of your brand. So आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए on Udaipur Colors for such interesting videos with interesting personalities to know what they do differently.